Open Gemini AI. Insert stock images. Copy prompt. Enter the prompt. Generate. Download image. Looking for custom cover, poster designs, or more? We're available for commissions. Tell me in the comments what design you want next.